Good morning guys, in front of me is TECNO Spark 20C and let me show you how to activate or deactivate camera timer. At first, open your camera app. Now go to photo mode, for example portrait, click on settings icon and locate timer. And now you can apply 3, 5 or 10 seconds delay. Pick the one that you want to use, go back and click on camera shutter. You'll be able to notice a clock icon here right now. Just tap and then you will be able to hear and see the countdown. Now you can also, you can switch it off once it is active and you don't want to use it. Just tap on settings, go to timer and choose off. And that's it, that will be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.